Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will add product into the Shopify store by using n8n automation. So click on this plus icon and trigger the n8n flow manually. And the next step, we will make the API call to this endpoint to get the products, and after that we will add these products into the Shopify. So I will make HTTP request, click on HTTP request and then put the URL of the product into the URL feed and then make the request and execute this step. And you can see we have all the products. There are 48 products items. So we have 48 items, and now we need to add a Shopify module. Click on shop here plus sign and then search for Shopify, and from here we will create a product, and in the product we will add the title. So just grab the title field over here, and title will go into the title field, and then add a new field body HTML and just drag and drop the description field, and then product product images. In the image we need to add the product images. So let's add the image field, and here we will add the image source, and the image source just add the first image of the product. So then add another field over here, and here we will add the product type. In the product type we'll pass this category field. And now if I go back and run this scenario, first open the store Wixo checkout, and as you can see I have already configured the connection Wixo checkout. So this is connected to my Shopify store, and it should add the 48 products into the Shopify when I execute the workflow. So I'm waiting for my store to open, and if I go to the products, there are already few products. Let me delete them. So these are being deleted. And we need to wait until these products are deleted. Okay, so all right, okay, now all the products are deleted. As you can see, there is no product. Now let's go back to our n8n workflow and execute this, and we'll fetch the product. Now the products are being added into the Shopify, and if I go here and reload the page, and you will notice where the new products are being added over here. And if I open, you will see the description, you will see the image, and you will see the product type as well. So all are being added from this n8n workflow. Very easy and very simple. So let's wait for to end this workflow. Once all is done, we will see all the products are added in the Shopify store. So far 31 products are added. If I go back here, our workflow is still executing, and in next few seconds all the products will be added into the Shopify. So let's go back over here and reload the page and count the products. So there are 48 products and 48 products are done, and you can see the new 48 products are added here successfully, and you can check the product count from here, count.json, and you will see we have 48 products over here. So this is how you can fetch products from third-party supplier or vendor, and you can add them into the Shopify very easy by using n8n. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.